Yesterday we learned about horoscope and rasis. Now today we are going to learn how these Rasi Chakra is divided and how to measure, how to place planets, how planets will move in this chart, horoscope. Horoscope, it is 360 degrees. It is 360 degrees. The entire horoscope is 360 degrees. We say that it's a circle. It's just like a circle. Circle circumference is 360 degrees. Like that, here Rasi Chakra is divided into 12. Divided by 12. These 12 houses, these are called as houses or signs, 12 signs. There are 12 signs. 12 signs. Also we call 12 houses also. 12 houses also. These 360 is divided by 12 signs. That means each sign gets 30 degrees. Each sign gets 30 degrees. Yesterday we learned about signs. Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius and Pisces. Like that, today we are going to learn how these is made. This horoscope is just like a circle. Its total value is 360 degrees and it is divided by 12 signs. That means each sign carry 30 degrees. Each sign carry 30 degrees. Again in the horoscope, in the horoscope, there are 27 stars. 27 stars. 27 stars. Each star has 4 parts. Further, one star is divided by 4. They are called foot. Pada. They are called as pada or foot. 4 parts. 4 parts. That means 27 stars into 4 padas or 4 parts is equal to 108 padas. 108 padas. 108 padas or parts. 108 parts. 108 parts. 108 parts. Again, these 108 parts are divided by 12 signs. 12 signs. We get 9 parts for each sign. We get 9 parts for each sign. We get 9 parts for each sign. So, Aries has 9 parts. Taurus has 9 parts. Gemini has 9 parts. Cancer has 9 parts. Leo has 9 parts. And again here in Virgo has 9 parts. Libra 9. Scorpio has 9. Sagittarius has 9. Capricorn 9. Aquarius 9. And Pisces has 9. Total is equal to 108 parts. These 108 parts are divided by 12 signs and each sign got 9 parts. That means 360 degrees are divided by 12 signs is divided by 12 signs is equal to 30 degrees. Each sign carries 30 degrees. Each sign carries 30 degrees and total 12 signs become 360 degrees. Okay. Again, there are 27 stars according to Indian astrology. These stars, again, each star has has 4 parts. Each star has 4 parts. That means 27 stars into 4 parts becomes 108 parts. These 108 parts are further divided. If we divided 108 parts by 12 signs, each sign get 9 parts. Each sign will get 9 parts. That means here see 360 degrees divided by 9 equal to 9 signs. If we divided 360 degrees by 9 parts, that becomes again 12 signs. That becomes again 12 signs. Okay, now I will tell you about stars. There are 27 stars. There are 27 stars. One is Ashwini. Next, second one is Bharani. Third one is Kritika. Fourth one is Rohini. Fifth one is Mrugashira. Sixth one is Ardra. Seventh one is Punarvasu. Eighth one is Pushyami. Ninth one is Aslesha. These are first quarter. Again, Magha or Magha, Purva Phalguni or Pubba, Uttara Phalguni or Uttara, Hasta, Chitta, Swati, Vishaka, Anuradha, Jyeshta. Again, Mula, Purva Ashada, Uttara Ashada, Ravanam, Tanishta, Shatabisham, Purva Bhadra, Uttara Bhadra, and the last one is Revati. Here, for Ashwini, Magha, Mula, Ketu is the lord of these stars. Ketu is lord of these stars. Bharani, Purapalguni, Purvashada, these three stars as Venus is the lord. And Kritika, Uttara, Uttarashada, Sun is the lord. For Rohini, Hasta, Sravanam, Moon is the lord. And Mrigasira, Chitta, Dhanishta, Mars is the lord. And Ardra, Swati, Shatabisham, Rahu is the lord. And again, Punarvasu, Vishaka, Purvabhadra, Jupiter is the lord. And Pushami, Anuradha, Uttarabhadra, Saturn is the lord. And Aslesa, Jyeshta, Revati, Mercury is the lord. Okay, today just we will again repeat these 27 stars. We have 27 stars. Each star has 4 padas. Ashwini, Bharani, Kritika, Rohini, Mrigasira, Ardra, Punarvasu, Pushami, Aslesa, Magha, Pubba, Uttara, Hasta, Chitta, Swati, Vishaka, Anuradha, Jyeshta, Mula, Purvashada, Uttarashada, Sravanam, Dhanishta, Shatabisham, Purvabhadra, Uttarabhadra and Revati. Here, Ashwini, Magha, Mula, these 3 stars has the lord of these 3 stars is Ketu. Bharani, Pubba means Purvapalguni, Purvashada, the lord of these stars is Venus. Kritika, Uttarashada, Uttarapalguni, Uttarashada, for these stars, Sun is the lord. Rohini, Hasta, Sravanam, for 3 stars, Moon is the lord. Mrigasira, Chitta, Dhanishta, for these 3 stars, Mars is the lord. Ardra, Swati, Shatabisham, for these 3 stars, Rahu is the lord. Punarvasu, Vishaka, Purvabhadra, for these 3 stars, Jupiter is the lord. Pushami, Anuradha, Uttarabhadra, for these 3 stars, Saturn is the lord. Aslesa, Jyeshta, Revati, for these 3 stars, Mercury is the lord. Tomorrow we will discuss how these stars are allocated in these signs.